Hi, I'm Jolie. I'm with Carlson. I'm here to talk to you about the 3 most important things that I want you to know about omega-3s. 9 out of 10 people are not getting enough omega-3. So there's an easy way to find out if you are, and that is take an in-home test. You're looking for EPA and DHA. So omega-3s are the #1 supplement that are recommended by family doctors. That's because they're important for your heart, for your brain, for the healthy aging, for your joints. Omega-3s are so important during pregnancy for both the mother and her baby. The benefits for the baby include supporting the development of the brain and the eyes. The benefits for the mom, supporting her heart, but also her mood during pregnancy and after pregnancy. So as you can see, omega-3s are important from the womb and infancy all the way to your senior years.